Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. So this is your title: Control Cloud Data Access Privilege and Anonymity with Fully Anonymous Attribute-Based Encryption. So this is our abstract. Security and privacy are very important issues in cloud computing. In existing system, access control in cloud access interest in nature. The scheme of user symmetric key approaches and does not support authentications. So symmetric key algorithm uses same key for both encryption and decryption. This paper is present an semi-anonymous privileges controlled scheme. So anonymity control to address the users and data privacy problem in cloud. The proposed scheme achieve the anonymous cloud data access fine-grained privileges controlled. So this is your flow diagram. First start and then enter the 3% data owner, attribute authority and the data consumer. The data owner enter the encrypted file keys and then public key. So we will go to the two frames, attribute authorities and then cloud service, and then attribute authorities give to the request and response in the private. So response to the data owner and data consumer, and the data consumer also connect to the attribute authority, and then finally data consumer will decrypt the original file so with the keys. So it will access them. So both are sacks 1 2 3 4. So these persons are connecting in every times. Let's see the demo. So first we start with the home frame, then right click, run file. So this is your home page for anonymous access provisions and encryption scheme for efficient cloud users privacy, and then enter. You are choosing data owner, attribute authority, data customer, and then customer server, the cloud users. So first you are choosing the data owner. You just click the data owner radio button and then right click the sign up. So that way you can select the valid account and then sign up. So now you choose enter the name, win, and then passwords also win. Now choose a mail and then enter the ID. ID means my address, and then get ID. So this is owner ID, and then you must be enter your running an original ID. Give to here at gmail.com. So enter your date of birth and then 1990. So now put that sign up button. So data successfully stored in two databases. So and then you go to the back. So now you enter the username and then password. Username is win, and then I have already put that the same password win. So login. Now this is your data owner frame. So you can enable to the can access request file uploaded, file details, and then final logout. So now first choosing the file enter. So you enter the your name win and then send to authentication server. So and then you just right click authentication home. So you first we start with again home frame, enter, and then attribute authority. So attribute authority I have created already, authentication 1, and then password is 123. So now login. So this is response file download response and logout. So now I am choosing data owner or data consumer. Data owner now we choose and then refresh. So win is get. So first you check that. So refresh, so is bending, and then now is also bending. You just enter here win and then get details. So this is corresponding the win owner ID and then email ID get key. So get key now generated. So it will be only based on owner ID and then email ID based like that created key and then attribute key. So this is attribute based authority file uploading downloading frame process and then send response to owner. So it will be go to accepted, and then now we are eligible for the file uploaded process. and then enter the attribute key. So this process you can get the attribute key, so get from then your email ID. So now I am choosing that alternative process. Now I just put here, this is your attribute, and then key. These two keys you are get from your email ID. Now I am choosing that this banner only, but you can download it your email ID, and then you get then copy and then paste. Now I am simple access from here. This two attribute only access from, and then browse button. So now I can choosing any file. Now I am choosing that simple file of this text file. So this is a file path, this is the our content of this file, and then encrypted this file format. So encrypted file is created, and then this is encrypted file format keys, and then now we choosing that will generated this file is corresponding file name is file 16, and then uploaded, file successfully uploaded. So data owner check that, then put your name, and then you already put an attribute key, so like this key, get. So your file successfully uploaded. So which time? In 1331.1 seconds. So date, and then which locations and the file name. So now I am choosing the logout. It will be go to from main page. So now enter the data consumer. Data consumer. I already chosen data consumer. cons5, and then password is 123. I already put here. So this is data consumer frame, file details, file downloader, and then logout frame. So data consumer file consumer name is cons5, and then send request to, and then authentication process. So data consumer just right click and then refresh. So cons, so you like would replace it cons5, and then get details. So it will be changed that here, and then get key. So data consumer first login process when you get attribute key, and then downloading process generated in another key. Now send only first this key only go to the file. Now refresh, accepted, and then file details, refresh that. You just click file 6 and then view. So this file you want to need a downloader. This is uploading times, and then consumer names, and then consumer mail ID. So mail ID I have put on Rajkumar's, send downloader request. Now you are getting the downloader request. So that way you just find download response. So refresh, cons4 already again some percent cons4, and then now choosing that cons5. So you just click cons5, and then request, it will be generated your corresponding mail ID and then file name, and then get key. So these two keys, send it this key. Now you get that from your mail ID. So now you choosing that file downloaded, and then enter the file name, file 16, is it right? And then you put that your, so you put that here two attribute keys you get from your mail ID. So now I am choosing that simple that here. So I am choosing, first we are choosing that attribute key, this attribute key, copy and paste, and then choose confirm, download. The file download successfully, and then open that file. So data owner, and then we are choosing that download file is the encryption format file. I am choosing that encryption file, and then decrypt the file version content. Now we are getting from, and then logout. So now we enter the cloud. So now we enter the username server1, and then password also 123. Just login. So now you see that anonymous format. So all these is made on this cloud server, but anyone can see that original content. So which users, and then file name, and then data, and then corresponding time any person not see that correct format like that viewable format. So this is only viewable for another format, so anybody cannot access the original content. So this one is your final graph, and then log out this process. Thank you.